Ragazzi, siamo arrivati all'ultima prova.
La più importante.
Pur per questi qua non è buono fare lo spritz. È inutile che te lo porti a casa.
Impossibile.
E non è che fai neanche lo spritz.
Non è lo spritz.
Per noi che siamo una band veneta, per noi è proprio una cosa appunto culturale, anche lo spritz è un drink sociale.
Faremo un tutorial dello spritz perfetto.
Esatto.
Siete pronti, soci?
Sciocca detto in parole.
La puntata Aperol è stata, diciamo, la puntata più bella e ognuno doveva cercare di fare il miglior spritz.
Bicchiere, inclinare leggermente, versare, ghiaccio.
Bellissimo.
Giorgio Rotto.
E buttaci. Alla legge per fare uno spritz perfetto deve essere con gli amici in compagnia, deve esserci brio, gioia
E quindi qua ci
semplicità.
siamo, no? Per
Poi,
ricordarsi l'ordine e la quantità di ingredienti c'è la formula 3-2-1.
e via.
E via.
E via.
Esatto.
Qui
Prosecco.
3 prosecco. 3 bottiglie di prosecco.
Tutte.
Penso che sia 3 parti, ma però...
Ok, Giorgio.
Ok, guarda, io mi metto qua, vedo se è in bolla.
Attendi bene.
Ok, lasciamo.
Un'altra schicciottata.
A posto,
Mamma mia.
perfetto.
2 parti.
Vediamo se
di
è
Aperol.
giusto te. 2 parti di
Due
Aperol.
parti di Aperol.
Guarda che mano da bartender che hai, guarda. Ok. Yes.
Secondo me è un altro concetto.
Sì.
Sai che io avevo fatto tutta la scuola di spritz
Sì.
degli antichi sprizzaroli di Scaltenino. Che adesso l'ultima una parte di soda.
Are you ready?
Quasi acqua frizzante a soda.
Are you ready for this?
Poggia.
Dai, facciamo così che sennò...
Poggia.
Ecco qua. Hai visto, socio?
Saggera.
Un po' di frutta, un po' di vitamine fanno bene a tutti.
Una fettina di arancia, amore.
Hai visto come?
Questo qua è lo spritz.
Socio,
Perfetto.
bellissimo. Guarda che colore.
Guarda che roba.
Senti, sembra di essere a casa.
Se ci fanno uno spritz come questo,
Io sono fiducioso, i ragazzi mi sembrano intelligenti.
Proviamo.
Andiamo.
avanti, andiamo con gli amici.
Avanti.
Quindi avevano vari ingredienti e degli alcolici anche sbagliati che potevano inserire.
Aperol is an Italian liqueur that I had never heard of.
Ciao Dave!
Hey, how you doing?
Today you have to make a spritz for us.
Aperol Spritz is the most important drink we have in Italy for aperitivo moment. It's a drink that was born in Veneto, our region, but now it's really famous all over Italy and it's getting famous all over the world. So
You're gonna figure it out by yourself. This is spritz. I'm gonna show you now.
I had to make them this drink without knowing what went in the drink.
You can, look at it, you can taste it, you do whatever you like, but you have to use these ingredients. Some are wrong, some are right.
Are you ready for
Best as
this?
you can.
Non era molto facile, però diciamo che la scenografia Aperol Spritz ha dato un indizio abbastanza forte sugli ingredienti.
I was born ready.
okay, we'll leave you alone with the Spritz.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay?
See you.
Let's do it. Okay.
I used to work in bars up when I was younger and still had the old skills down, you know.
Che c'era Aperol e Prosecco dappertutto, era impossibile sbagliare.
Well, there's Aperol, obviously, so. But yeah, I think I was able to like kind of figure it out, like smelling it, tasting it.
So, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Sure don't need that. This is a terrible idea. Hey.
Get it? I thought it matched up pretty well. The drink that I made, I had a little bit of trouble opening the what was it, Prosecco? I think that bottle had been shaken up a little bit without me knowing about it. Not my fault.
Get some bubbles in here. Woo! Yeah. Done.
But I still pulled through. I did amazing.
You made it?
Yeah, of course I made it.
It was
yeah.
difficult.
No, it was super easy.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
That's good.
Yeah.
Sure.
Is it good?
Yeah, I didn't smash anything this time.
Fammi assaggiare a me, che io bevevo sprizzetti che...
It's good, Ario. Yeah.
Che Mario! Ma sei tu da Treviso?
Mamma mia, we say it's really good.
Yeah.
The guys all really liked my drink.
Dave ha fatto uno spritz ottimo, secondo me.
That's how good my drink was.
The ingredients are right
Yeah.
to be perfect.
Next time.
Next time you have to put the right order the ingredients.
Yeah. So it's Prosecco first, then Aperol, and then soda.
Vabbè, ha sbagliato l'ordine degli ingredienti, però quello là, insomma.
Approved.
Approved!
Yeah.
Okay.
Grande Dave!
You nailed it.
Oh! Pazzesco!
Okay, we'll let you know, buddy.
All right, thanks. All right,
thank you.
guys. All right,
Bye-bye.
all right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
I don't see that being any kind of competition for me. I think I definitely won that one now.
Today it's about doing Aperol Spritz.
It's really important that you know how to do it.
All right.
If you will come in Italy with us, you have to be able to make your own spritz. And if we will have a beautiful American girl making spritz, it will be great.
top,
for-
the
Yeah.
top.
Okay. I thought that I was gonna kill it. A drink is a drink is a drink.
It's very simple to do it, so you're gonna figure it out by yourself. I'm gonna show you now.
Appena sfornato.
Wow.
You have to choose from these ingredients.
You have to choose the right one.
I used to be a bartender, so
Really?
I think I know a little something about making a drink. I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay, cool.
Let's go.
Yes. All right, get out of here. I'll see you in a
See you
minute.
later.
I'm gonna start with a shaker. I'm gonna put some ice in it. We want it to be nice and chilled for the guys. Some Aperol, because it's a key ingredient. Like a real bartender, right? Okay, I think that's enough. Next, I'm gonna do some of this Prosecco. See if it works. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Maybe a little soda water? If I can figure out how to use this thing. Okay, that's not it. That's it. There we go. Yeah, that's a cocktail. Being born. Let's shake it up because. Okay, yeah, that should be good. And let's see. Oh yeah, that's the drink. That is exactly what they made. All right, let's garnish it with a little orange. See what they think. And I didn't follow any of these rules, and I put everything in a shaker anyway. So I don't think that they'd be complaining if I was making them anything on the tour bus anyway.
So you made it.
Yeah,
You
welcome
made it.
back. Yeah.
Che sprizzetto, ah!
It looks pretty good, right?
Yeah. Questo è tanto proprio,
You know, I was really inspired, and
Really?
I put a lot of Aperol in it.
So this amount of Aperol?
Yep, about that. The shaker, yeah, and then a little soda water, and I shook it up so it would get, more mixed, and then I put it in and added the orange because
Yeah.
the one you showed me had an
It
orange.
has a strange foam.
Con bocca da persico.
Devi buttare la bomba dentro.
Toglie la sete. Takes away the thirsty.
Yeah, of course, yeah. I made them a really strong drink. That's like part of the rock and roll game, is to have a fun time and to party. So,
Dice con chi è meglio di Aperol.
Whoa!
yeah.
It has to be sparkling.
Quello shakerato di Susi aveva il suo perché. Che poi era buono, l'unica roba appunto è un po' sgasato.
It's not actually really good. But you have fun making it?
Yeah,
You
I
have
had a lot
fun?
of fun making it. Where I messed up was putting everything in the wrong order.
It's totally wrong to shake it because it has to be a little sparkling, right?
Okay.
Too much Aperol.
Too much Aperol.
Too much.
I can learn.
I can't wait. Well, this was
Okay.
really fun.
Thank you.
Thanks,
And we're
guys.
gonna see you soon.
Okay, I'll see you soon. Actually, I still think I killed it.
When I'm watching Susie just like wreck the bar,